Today in this video I will teach you how to make a CFL or CFL tube bulb tube or tube light driver circuit as easy. Only 4 components. First, show circuit diagram for better understanding. I am using 16 volt power source, 16 volt power source connected to 16 volt 1000 microfarad capacitor positive as well as transformer center tap. I am use 220 to 12 volt two phase transformer. If you then use 12 to 220 volt step up transformer, I am use step down transformer. But you can use step up and step down transformer with center tap. 12 volt winding have a center tap, which means 12 volt first tap to second tap 12 volt and second tap to third tap also 12 volt. Total 1 and third point to 24 volts. So positive capacitor as well. The center tap of a transformer primary and 12 volt side, and first tap connected transistor D313 transistor collector emitter connecting capacitor negative as well as power source negative, and third tap connecting 3 kilo ohm resistor to base, and output winding connecting to this CFL tube. This CFL tube is two saturated filaments. All filament wires are bonding to each other because there is no additional filament inside. So there is a disc gas filled tube with 2 electrodes. These 2 electrodes is jump electricity. So this means there is 1000 volts in there. These 2 points. Now show circuit. There are 12 volt. My variable power supply which 10 I am used previous videos. Output is though. These two we can see there is a electricity capacitor 1000 microfarad. Negative to this black wire, positive to this red wire, that is positive, black is negative for power supply, and yellow wire center tap of this transformer. And this one wire blue wire connecting this D313 transistor cluster base is connected with this 3 kilo ohm resistor. I don't have 3 kilo ohm resistor, so I am connect 1 kilo ohm in 3 individual 1 kilo ohm 3 resistor series to make a 3 kilo ohm, as well as this blue wire for this transformer. So you can see this transformer is step down transformer, or there see input 220 volt, output 12 volt 2 watts, which means this wire to this wire is 12 volt and this wire to this wire is 12 volt, which means this is a center tap and 12 volt this side and 12 volt this side. So if never you count yellow wire, we take a 24 volt with blue and blue wire. So this is D313. I not connected each fit, so I am run for demo tweet time for demo. If you run long time, if you make this thing is long life, so you can connect thermal compound on each synth or each synth to protect your transistor for overheating. This is transformer, and this is a transformer primary wire. So there's a step down transformer. I use primary as a secondary as a primary. If you have a step up transformer, you can use primary as a primary, secondary as a secondary. But there's a step down, so it is a reverse. When I plug in, so it is the 8 milliamps. You can see there's a bulb is working. So there's a 2 electron not to touch to the other. So there's a 1000 volt generator. Never touch these 2 terminals as well as these. So you can see there's a working very well. So there's a 2 brighter, although there's a flickering. So this is a no AC stabilized voltage. So there's a little bit of fluctuating volt. So there is 1000 volt. Never touch these terminals, so you can see easily there are bulb are working. What happens is a multi vapor lamp, when you pass the voltage and charge this dash, this dash is a glow. I am telling my one previous video, which is a Tesla coil video, I am showing charge with a neon or CFL dash with or noble dashes with my Tesla coil. So same fundamental is there. So there is a high voltage, never touch this. So there is a transformer, never touch these 2 terminals. There is a emitter collector as well as these 2 terminals. If you touch these 2 terminals as well as these 2 terminals, you will receive an FT short because there is generate high voltage for this side, and this side is self-induction voltage. You can use this circuit with as a flyback driver. You can use a flyback transformer, which is salvaged by CRTs and shops, but I cannot find CRT. I am asked you one of my previous videos. I made a flyback transformer, but I not find a flyback transformer for shop. So that's the reason I not made. If you make, well, you can use a 2 transistors in parallel, and also apply each in for 2 transistors for toll, and so there's a flyback transformer can do more current. And flyback transformer produce 50,000 to 10,000 volts produce DC. This can produce only 1000 volts AC. So flyback are more dangerous. After using flyback, discharge the flyback first on off circuit and short the output wires for discharge. So flyback have internal capacitors. If you use a separate circuit to drive, separate circuit is on build with capacitors like mine. So, so that's why this reason flyback are dangerous. Flyback is mostly powerful and mostly dangerous component. This way is most cheapest way you can make a CFL or CCFL driver. If you make a more powerful, you can get a flyback transformer, but I'm not recommending. If you have any electronic experience, you can try it, but without electronic experience, you cannot try. So it might be dangerous. It is kill you. Indirectly, it can kill. If you can come across a high voltage source, it directly kill. This can give a shot, but if you come across with flyback, it can kill you under seconds. So it is not touched with flyback. If you have if you have never any experience on, and this video is next device.